Namaste, good morning class 8. Today we have exercise of chapter 6, unit 7, that is organic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer. There are some questions and they are not very hard. Even though I will discuss about them. First question is there, what is meant by organic fertilizer? I have written definition of organic fertilizer in my previous video. The fertilizer that is prepared by plants and animals. The fertilizer that is prepared by biodegradable substances and plants, animals and various insects prepared by dung or urine of domestic animal, straw, grasses, peels of vegetables and fruits, waste food prepared by earthworm, chaff or husk of rice, oil giving seeds. This is called organic fertilizer. You can do this, you can write this yourself or take help from book, and I have given also, so you can write from there. From my previous video, if you have written, you can write easily. Then to distinguish between organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. What is the difference between organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer? I will write this. Distinguish between organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. Organic fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. Organic fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. Organic fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. Number 1. Organic fertilizer is prepared by biodegradable. Organic fertilizer is prepared by biodegradable substances it is manufactured in industry. It is manufactured in industry by various chemical compounds by various chemical compounds. It is environmental friendly. Organic fertilizer is environmental friendly. F-R-I-E-N, friendly. Organic fertilizer is friendly. It pollutes the environment. It pollutes the environment. Organic fertilizer can provide almost all the nutrients for the growth of the plants. Organic fertilizer can provide almost all the nutrients for the growth of the plants. Chemical fertilizer provides some certain nutrients only. Other point also we have to write. Now I write up. Here you write this in your copy. I will clean this and write some more point. One more point. Compost fertilizer can be prepared in home by cheap and easy technique. Compost fertilizer can be prepared in home by cheap and easy technique. And chemical fertilizer it is prepared in industry only. By advanced method. Many difference we can write. Compost fertilizer provides aeration, maintains water level in the soil. The crops produced by compost fertilizer are hygienic and healthy for our health, but the crops prepared by using chemical fertilizer are not hygienic and healthy. So many points you can write. Again one more. The crops grown by using compost fertilizer the crops grown by using compost fertilizer is healthy. And here this side the crops grown by using chemical fertilizer the crops grown by using chemical fertilizer is not healthy. So these are the difference between compost fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. Now one more question is there. I think you may feel difficult. 3 number. Elucidate the advantages of organic fertilizer. And then 4 number question is there. You can write yourself. Describe the technique of preparing the Bikasi fertilizer. So technique, all step I have given 3 steps. This step and required materials, 1 table. Required materials also you should write. Both table about required materials and 3 steps technique I had given you. You write this in 4 number answer. And 3 number again I will write. So don't worry. You write this in your copy. I will clean this now. Three number question is there only one. That advantage of compost fertilizer. Advantage of organic fertilizer. Of organic fertilizer. Advantage of organic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer provides almost all the nutrients for the growth and development of plants. Organic fertilizer provides almost all the nutrients for the growth and development of the plants. It is environmental friendly and the crops that are grown by using organic that are grown by using organic fertilizer are healthy, that have not any side or bad effect on the human health. It is environmental friendly, and the crops that are grown by using organic fertilizer are healthy, that have not any side or bad effect on the human health. It can be prepared easily. It can be prepared easily in our home and it is cheap also. It is cheap also. It can be prepared easily in our home and it is cheap also. One more point right there. I'll clean this up point and write. Organic fertilizer maintains moisture level in the soil and makes the soil loose and fertile. Makes the soil loose and fertile. It supplies nutrients continuously. Continuous. CONOUSLY. It supplies nutrients continuously to the land. So these are the advantages of compost fertilizer. Now I want to stop today's video. Again, other day I'll discuss about other lesson. I want to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Write this in your copy and learn. And complete other question and answer also.